How's everybody doing? It's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking here at Schafer Elementary School in Lombard, Illinois. Home of the Sharks. Proud to be a Shark here today. And it was a wonderful day. Got to talk to the kindergartner through fifth graders, two separate assemblies. And the main focus was anti-bullying, but really choosing to look at someone's heart first and foremost, that you see that and really choose to accept somebody from the onset, even if they are different, if they're born different, if they look different, if they hear different, see different, learn different, whatever it might be, that we still show that empathy and compassion and respect from the first time that we do meet them. We saw a video clip or two of just people that at first really didn't accept certain students because of their disability or just how they were born, but eventually they did because they got to see that they're actually a pretty cool person and beautiful person inside. But the whole goal is that we don't wait that long, that we see them when we first meet somebody as one race, human, like the shirt says, see everybody as human beings before anything else, and that we really choose to view them as miracles. The M etched on all of our palms, M for miracle, W upside down for worthy of love, to give it and receive it, that we not only see that in ourselves, but we look to see that in other people too, and be the light to their hearts and show that compassion. And it was so cool because a bunch of students came up to me after my talks, and some were in tears. They were kind of emotional, but the overall sentiment was that they're going to be included now. A couple of students that kind of noticed people that maybe don't have as many friends or needed a friend right after the assembly said, hey, come sit by me at lunch today. And a couple of people that, just said, I've been through some type of pain in the past, but there's a reason for that, and that's to be the hope for somebody else going through that same storm, that we can help them through that same hurt that they're experiencing, because we've been there too, and we used to be hurt people who hurt people, but now we're healed people who are going to help to heal people through our actions, through kindness, through love. And this initiative at the school where kindness truly does matter, it was beautiful to see that. And I'm so encouraged by the fact that our youth are taking it under their wings, or should I say under their fins, to go and spread that kindness and be that change that Gandhi talks about and that Dr. King lived for as well, two famous peacemakers. So thanks again for touching my heart. From one peacemaker to another, you guys are beautiful. Never forget that you guys are all miracles, worth everything, and hope to see you again soon. Until then, much love, peace.